Did you realize that after a terrible first 20 minutes, Guadeloupe actually won the last 70 minutes of their match against Panama?
Panama strikes! He like another. Now the other way, Murillo feeds it in front. Flag stays down. Panama leads by 2. Saved off the line. Now blasted through. No stopping that for Diaz. The 25-year-old striker to make it 4-0. He does. What is right now battered goal differential at -4. Try from distance here, curled it in. That'll help. Jordan Laborne instilling some belief for Guadeloupe. And there's the quality these players possess individually. And he changes it. Penalty for his country to bring it within 2. He does, sneaking it by Mosquera. Game on. Guadeloupe have been the aggressor.
So the Reggae Boyz need goals? But be very careful.